Are you looking to restore the valve train on your Dodge 5.9 Cummins? Then you need the XDP Valve Springs and Retainer Kit. This kit is designed to restore the valve train of your engine, a component that is often ignored in many builds. Worn out valve springs can cause many issues, including catastrophic engine damage, so be sure to improve the durability of your 5.9 Cummins engine with the XD389. Each spring is subjected to a stress relief process and is computer load mapped to give a superior quality product with long-term resilience. Tested with 1 pound of seat pressure, this valve spring and retainer set comes complete with locks, retainers, springs, and supported by XDP's 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. So if you're looking to restore your truck's valve train, don't wait any longer. Get the XDP Valve Springs and Retainer Kit today at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.